So my nephew is turning 4 in a couple of weeks, but we're having his birthday a little early. So what I decided to do, I have this huge roll of packing paper, like paper that you would ship boxes off with. I honestly don't know where I got it or if my husband got it, but I'm gonna use an Amazon box that I have. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to cut a good sized piece of this first. And I am going to crumple it up. And I'm going to pack it in the bottom of it. So kind of fill up the space. And then I'm going to take my tissue paper that I have. And I'm going to line this over the top. This is Thor. And then this is supposed to be a bunch of them together. But they're washcloths. And they're hard as a rock, like the air sucked out of them. When they get wet, they poof up. So this was on Amazon. I don't know if I want to keep these packaged like this or take them out. I'm thinking take them out. There's 6 superhero costumes. Not costumes. The silk capes and felt masks. So I believe that's Iron Man. Maybe. Maybe it's not. I'm not good with this stuff. Let me see. Okay, so like this is Spider-Man, obviously. And then there's the little mask. So maybe I'll just do these randomly in here. So what I'm going to do is I have everything in here I want. I got the coloring book and crayons. I got all the capes. I got the washcloths and some candy. So now, so I'm going to cut along. Okay, so you probably will have to cut and trim along the way. The way I find it the easiest is don't put it in the middle and have to cut both sides that are too much. Put it to the end. Hold your side up. Let me turn this around so I can show you. This is how I do my Christmas wrapping too. See how I pull it to the end? Make sure it's a little more than halfway up the side. Can you see that? The next thing I want to do is take my jute string. I'm thinking about what if I take some paint or markers and write Happy Birthday James on it. Packages. I'll tie this and then hot glue my candy packages down. Then we're going to come back and put the candy on and it'll be all ready to go. Balloons sound really cute right now. Let me color those in. I can do balloons in 2 seconds because they're just circles. Now, then I took the jute and I just made little bows. If you can see that, and wrapped up the M&Ms. So just so you guys can see how it turned out, it says happy birthday. There's the M&Ms. His name is James. I left him in the corners, like excited about all the candy on the outside. He's not going to care about the brown paper. And I just wanted to do something different than regular bags, the same old thing. So I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and you'll see more crafts.